Hey, what is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video I'm going to show you that how can you send emails to all of them. You can see this says iTunesZL mailing list. Okay, this is my domain name mailing list, and I want to send them a test email. So let's just go to describe right here, and let's just go to the home page. So this is our dashboard, basically, we can say. And now I want to basically send them an email. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to hit create a campaign. And then here, I want to just go ahead and I want to hit create an email. Okay, so it says create an email. I'm just going to come here and my campaign name is going to be like iTunesZL test. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to hit begin. It's just going to begin this, and now here it says who are you sending to. Okay, I'm just going to select like iTunesZL mailing list. I just want to send them, and it has group or new segment. Okay, so you can just select entire list and saved or pre-built segment. So you can just select like group assessment, like update recipient. You can just add anyone in the group. If the email address first name is this, then we want to add him. Or if the email address campaign activity is this, if he is in the VIP, is his last name is this, if his sign up source is like this, if his location is like in this like, okay, or if his location is in United States. So we can just filter them. So United States, and then I'm gonna hit validate location. So it's just gonna validate the location, and then we're gonna just select this. I'm just gonna select use location, so you can see, and then I can add it. So this is how it's gonna work. Okay, I'm just gonna select like the entire list I want to send. So I have 3 recipients. Everyone in your list will receive this email. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit next right now. So it's just gonna take me to the next step, and here is my campaign name. Internal use only, X newsletter test for. So then we have the email subject. So email subject is going to be like, this is the test email to you. Okay, and then I have the preview text. So my preview text is going to be this snippet will appear in the inbox after the subject line. So I don't want to add anything here. Okay, and then we have the from name, and then I have the from email address, and then I have track opens and everything like here. So you can just select it like how you want the linking and clickable, clicktail, but I don't want to select anything. Okay, you can also just auto post your campaign to Facebook. Okay, but I don't want to auto post. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit next. So it's just going to take me to the next page, and here it says, here it gives you basically the layouts that you can just go ahead and then you can edit some stuff, and then you can send a mail. So this is exactly like the Elementor, guys. Okay, but I just want it to be like a simple text. I just want to send them a simple text to all of my email subscribers. Okay, and then here I am just going to tell my subscriber, it's time to design your email, this, and this. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to remove this. Okay, and then I'm also going to remove this. So here we have this. What I'm going to do right now, I am just going to drag the text right here, and here I want to just edit it. So I'm just going to add it like I am soon launching a complete WordPress course. It will be launched on New Year. So you can see this is right here. Okay, what I want to do right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit save and close. So skip these messages. Okay, you can just add the box layout, box text. You can add the divider, or you can add the image crop. You can add pretty well anything that you want to add. So you can also add the this like this, and you can also add the footer and everything. Okay, now what I want to do, I just want to go ahead and I want to hit next. So you can see it says MailChimp will deliver these to iTunesZL. Subject line, this is the test email to you. All replies will be sent to this. Tracking, you can choose track links. Social sharing media, your campaign URL will be this. Okay, and then I have the HTML email. You are sending an HTML email using the simple text is the template. Plain text email. Okay, a plain text version of this email will be generated included automatically. And Monkey Rewards. Okay, a MailChimp affiliate link is included in your template footer. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit send now. So you can see it is now, you can see the email has been sent. Okay, it's in the queue. Okay, so I can just track the performances and reports. Okay, you can see the email, I think it has been sent right now. Let's just go ahead and let's see the email. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to open up my Gmail account where the email should be sent. So let's see if we have received the email or not. It is not right here. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to open up the spam to see if I have received it. So I haven't received it now. Okay, I must have received... okay, yeah, this is right here in the promotions tab. So if I just open this up, you can see it says this is a test email to you. So this is by Zeal. I'm soon launching a course. It will be launched on New Year. So it says this, our mailing address is this. Add us to your address book. Want to change how you receive this email? You can update your preferences or unsubscribe from the list. So we are just telling them, and it is also showing that you are seeing this email because you subscribe to our list. Okay, this is what we entered that in the section that when we just trying to create the list. If I just come here and I just go to the list, then you can see that when we were creating this list, basically we added this. So you are seeing this email because you subscribed to your list, and our mailing address is this, and add us to your address book. Want to change how you receive these emails? You can update your preferences and or unsubscribe from the list. So if anyone wants to unsubscribe, he can just go ahead and he can just unsubscribe as well. So you can see everything is totally up and running, and this email is also being sent. So if I just also go with the mail.yahoo.com. Okay, now let's see if it has given us the email in that our account. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna log myself in. Okay, here it is. It says Zeal, and it says this is the test email to you, and the email is also right here. So you can see this is totally up and running, and this is right here. This message contains some blocked images. I'm just gonna hit show images, so it should show the images. It says I'm soon launching a complete WordPress course. It will be launched on the new year, and our mailing address is this. Add us to your address book, and this is how this is working, and it is working totally awesome, guys. So you can see how great it is working. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching this, and you can just customize this email, that how it looks. If you want to remove that thing, that how the footer and everything, you can also remove it. So like there should be no MailChimp icon here. So you can also remove it by just shifting to the Pro version, and there will be no MailChimp icon. So you can see everything is totally up and running. In the next video, I'm going to show you how can you basically create a lead page. Okay, how that lead page will work. How can you add the Facebook ads into it? Okay, and then how can you get a lot of emails, also send your product. So in the next video, I'll be showing you that. So stay tuned, guys, and bye-bye.